Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video presented change in increase and divide it for extent every example using purchase see page introduction purchase calculation see page to calculation percent increase. First work different try between two numbers you are comparing. Tries original number new number. Let's divide original number multiple the answer 100. Drains divide original numbers. If your answer negative this percentage increase. If you wish calculation insurance the decide survey name recommended using first formula positive value increase when true value illustration discharge percentage calculation further reading for your scale needed the scale you are needed guide memory this 4-part guide target because numbers legal stop and between formation delicate example for percentage insurance of this rate to January wait delayed before wait 30% more hours February than date January in the March deleted the same headed January or 100% hours first calculation design is over that's 545.5.35 something easily show percent directed negative number of following formula calculation percentage increase your answer negative vs calculation value because percentage changing you can refine about average this summers in order work how to something real terms needed so article data we hope it will follow useful way to not checking our scale page and subscribe my channel for latest mission updates. Thanks for watching.